All right, in this video, we're going to put these little things on the board. I'm going to say you need to be very careful with this step because it's fairly easy to hurt yourself and burn yourself. I'm going to show you how I do it using tacking like we did with the dill plug, but if you feel that's too dangerous, then you can find some other way to help hold it there. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the big one first, because it's going to be the easiest one and less dangerous one. And we're going to stick it on the board down here at the bottom. And you can kind of see one side's kind of, so depending on which one you get, you might see it a little bend on one side. That's the side that goes through the board. It's supposed to help hold it in the board, although I don't really like it very much. I sometimes think it actually makes it worse. I'm actually going to turn it around. So this 4-pin plug, as I'm trying to get it back out and turn it around, is actually a serial port for the Arduino. So if you wanted to do something with serial and experiment with serial, this is how you do it. And all right, so you get it put in just like that. And like we did with this, we're going to hold just this one pin right here, just like that. And we're going to clean our solder tip, and we're going to take solder like we did before. I'm just going to stick it on here, where I can get solder and put a little clump of it like that. And we're going to turn it over, and we're just going to tack one of these pins just so it doesn't fall out, just like that. All right, then we're going to stick it in our holder, and we're going to solder the other 3 pins. Just like that, and then we're going to resolder, which you can tell it didn't solder very well. There it goes, soldered nicely. All right, so I typically will do this for all 3 of them at once, tack one for, and then come back in and do it, but it's up to you. I just did it one at a time to demonstrate, but these other ones work the same way. Here's the thing you gotta be careful of, is if your finger's big, you may touch both pins at one time. So you need to try to only hold one pin, otherwise you're going to feel the heat. So you can see how close it is to my finger. I'm not touching it, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take some solder, clean my tip again, take some solder. I'm just going to tap. And then make sure you're tapping the one your fingers aren't holding, because your finger will definitely feel it. While I got my finger here, and while I got the solder out ready to go, I'm going to put the other one in. Just like so. I'm going to hold the bottom one again, so make sure I tap the top one. Get a little solder on here. All right, so that's not to hold it. That's the most important thing. It's not gonna let go, and it's gonna stay in here. So I'm gonna stick it over, flip it over. We're gonna solder the other side nice and clean, and then go back and fix up the ones that I tacked. All right, nice and clean. All right, now come back over to the ones we tacked. Good flow. All right. There we go, nice and shiny. Good solder joint. All right. So there we go. That was the hardest thing we have done so far, because it's a little dangerous actually, getting yourself burnt. So go ahead and put in the 4 pins. The 4-pin one down here, or it's actually like this. The 4-pin one down here, and the 2 pins that are up here. And then come back, and next we're going to put on the button and the potentiometer.